Hey everyone, it's Rachael from Merrick Makings. I'm back with another monochromatic card. Today we are using the fabulous Early Espresso, and I have teamed it up with Cutest Cows. As usual, all of the instructions for my card are on the bottom of the screen, so please pause them if you are going to play along and have a go at this one. I'm using a couple of different techniques today, and one of them is using a brayer to add the ink to our embossing folder. So I have used the 3D Timber embossing folder. It's not one I use a lot, but gives a really great effect, and I wanted that sort of country feel. So I have chosen the cows for this one. I don't know, it kind of just came to me when I thought, oh, I need to do Early Espresso. The dark, earthy kind of brown remind me of country, and of course country is always cows. So I've kept it fairly simple. I am colouring in or adding a bit of colour, a touch of colour to the cows with the stamping blends, and I haven't used Early Espresso. I don't think they actually have Early Espresso as a colour, or at least I don't have it in my collection. So I have used Crumb Cake and the Bronze, as well as a bit of Smoky Slate. It's just to give a touch of colour to these cows. I am using a sentiment that has been heat embossed, and you could see me using my little embossing buddy there, which is an anti-static powder in there, and I am using my White Wow embossing powder as well. So I am using obviously a light embossing powder on a dark cardstock. It just makes it stand out a lot better. So I wanted to say a quick hello. I recently had feedback from some lovely students from my school to say that they had found my channel, and I said I would give them a quick shout out. So hello girls. Hi Aisling, hi Isla, thank you so much for watching. It was a bit funny being a little bit famous, so I said I would say hello, and there you go, I have. Here we go. I'm just adding up this Country Birdhouse DSP. Now, I really do speed up these videos. I don't want it to be something that you're sitting and listening to for hours on end. This is really just the process of putting it together. But I did grab this DSP because it suits perfectly. One of the colours in the DSP is Early Espresso, and if you didn't realise, the back page or the cardstock that comes in the DSP actually in very small writing does tell you what colours are in it, so it makes it really easy to coordinate. Now I did buy these little wobble gadgets. They're little mechanisms. I bought it online at a craft store. Stampin Up unfortunately don't sell these ones, but whenever it comes to cute little critters, this one is super fun. I have used it on another card, a couple of cards recently as well, but you can see the little sleeping cow now looks like he's snoring when you wobble it with your finger. It's a little piece of plastic. It's amazing what how great the mechanism actually works. So to finish off this card, I'm adding a sentiment just cut very simply in a rectangular shape, and I'm going to add some basic twine. So this twine is probably one of my favorite things in my stash. I'm not so much a ribbon creator. I do like the twine. I like the element of having a texture but without extra bulk. So I've done two small bows. This is my little handy hint for you, is to do the bows, because then you get that cluster at the back, and I always use glue dots to stick these on. It gives less bulk, and it does adhere really, really well. So here I am putting on the sentiment onto the front of the card, and that's pretty much it for us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Thanks very much.